My daughter told me her sink was clogged again. I knew exactly what it was because it happens almost every 2 months. As you can see, I'm running the water in there and it's not draining. I'm gonna stop it and let you see. As you see, it's not draining. It's a simple solution. Only thing you need is this thing called the Zip It. It's a drain snake. You probably could get one of these for probably $3-4. So if you look in the description below, you can purchase it from Amazon. As you can see, I'm snaking it now with this Zip It. As you see, the hair is coming out. It started draining. I'm gonna do it one more time on the other side. It look like it's a little bit more on this side. And be careful with it. It will cut you if you don't be careful. As you see, it pulled the hair out, and look of all this hair. We have to do this probably every 2 months. So I'm gonna run some water in here and show you how it's draining now, so you don't have to disconnect all this other stuff with tools. Only thing you need is this cheap Zip It drain snake. All right, I'm gonna put the stopper in and let it run. And now if it's draining, watch how fast it drains now after 2 minutes. So you can purchase this in the description and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.